Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to continue your English activity sheet 3. This activity sheet is based on two lessons. They are lesson 2.1, The Girl on the Train, and lesson 2.2, Working Families. Dear children, today you will learn about use of the that I taught you in previous activity sheet 2, in which I taught you articles a and the. So here again I am going to tell you something about use of the. Okay? See, we use the when it is clear which person, place, animal or thing is being referred to. Again I am reading. We use the when it is clear which person, place, animal or thing is being referred to. Means we are using when it is clear which person we are talking, which place we are talking. Okay? Like what is the name of this street? So like we are asking about what is the name of this street. So place name. It is clear that we are asking some place name. See, we use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. Means when we are using again and again something, person name or place name, then we are using the. We use the when there is only one such thing. We use the when there is only one such thing, like the moon, the sun or the earth. Next, we use the before ordinal numbers, before superlative adjective. First you see ordinal number. The second seat in that row is mine. So second is what? Ordinal number. Like first, the second, the third. Okay, I got the first prize. I got the first prize. So before first we are using the. Okay, ordinal number. Whenever we are using ordinal number, we are using the. See next. Superlative adjective. You are the best. Best is what? Superlative. Okay, like tallest, longest, strongest, most beautiful. So these words are called superlative when we are using est. Okay, like Rahul is the tallest boy in the class. So when we are using superlative word, we are using the. Here, the used with plural names of people, groups, places. The used with proper names of books, oceans, seas, rivers, canals, bridges, mountain, ranges. Oceans name like the Pacific Ocean. So here it is written the used with proper names of ocean, rivers, the Brahmaputra rivers. Okay. Books name, the Mahabharat, the Bible, the Quran. Okay. So proper names of books, oceans, seas, river, canals, bridges, mountain, ranges. See, here it is written, the do not use with the proper name. Proper name of person. The Rahul, the Neha, we are not using. Okay, so we are not using the with proper name of person, of country. The India we are not using, only India. The state, the Chhattisgarh we are not using. Lake, mountain. Okay, now we do not use the definite article the before names of games. Means we are not using the before names of games. Like the cricket, we are not using the cricket. Cricket, hockey. See? Now come to your exercise. So we just have to read this also. We use the when it is clear which thing or person we mean. As I taught you just now. What is the name of this street? Can you tell me this time, please? Can you tell me the time, please? My office is on the first floor. We live in the same street. We say the sun, the moon, the world, the sky, the sea, etc. The police, the fire brigade, the army, etc. Army is what? Group of people. The top, the end, the middle, the left, etc. The piano, the guitar, the trumpet, etc. Listen to the radio. Okay, here it is. We do not use the with television, like I watch television a lot, but please turn off the television. Here, when we are saying I'm watching television, we are not using the. When I'm saying please turn off, means we are saying some particular thing to turn off. That is what? That is the television. Okay? And breakfast, lunch, dinner. What did you have for breakfast? We are not saying what did you have for the breakfast. Okay? Next, last, week, month, year, summer, etc. Means we are not using the before, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or last week, month, year, summer, etc. She is coming here next week. See the example? She is coming here next week. We are not saying she is coming here the next week. Okay? So come to your exercise. Look at the pictures and complete the sentence. See the first picture. Dash is shining. What is shining? The sun is shining. In the second picture, she is playing the guitar. Third, they are having breakfast. He is listening to the radio. They are watching television. They are swimming in the beach. Now come to next. Put in the where necessary and rewrite the sentence. Write OK if the sentence is already correct. Means we have to put the where it is necessary. And if the sentence is correct, we do not have to change. We just have to write OK. See the first sentence. What is name of this street? So your answer is what is the name of this street? Now see the second one. What's on television tonight? What's on television? No need to put the, that is okay. Now see the third one. Do you live on second floor? So your answer, do you live on the second floor? Second is what? Second is ordinal number. As just now I taught you, in the ordinal number, before ordinal number we have to use the. So second is what? Ordinal number. So, do you live on the second floor? Now, next one. Would you like to live on moon? Moon is also single, single thing, one such thing, only one thing in this word. So, you answer, would you like to live on the moon? Now, fifth one. Which is best hotel in this town? Best is what? Superlative. So before superlative we have to use the. Which is the best hotel in this town? Now see sixth one. What time do you have lunch? The sentence is correct. So no need to change. Just write okay. Now see seventh one. How far is it to railway station? Here, how far is it to the railway station? The will come before the railway station. Eighth one. Our house is at end of street. End of street, before end we have to use the. Our house is at the end of the street. Means two place we have to use the. At the end of the street. See ninth one. What are you doing next Sunday? It is correct. You just have to write okay. We are going out after dinner. This is also correct. Okay. My sister got married last month. This is also okay. Now the 12th one. My dictionary is on top of shelf on right. So my dictionary is on the top of the shelf on the right. Means three places we have to put the. My dictionary is on the top of the shelf on the right. Okay. Now come to next exercise. See. First, I'll read this rule. When Y comes at the beginning of a word, Y is a consonant. When Y comes at the beginning, it is a consonant, as we all know. As in York, it is York. Y-O-L-K it is. Y is not visible. Y-O-L-K. Yard, Y-A-R-D, yard. Okay, when it is come in the beginning, it is a consonant. Just understand this. When it's coming at the beginning, it is a consonant. When Y comes at the end of a syllable or word, when it is come at a end of the word, it is a vowel. It becomes vowel, as in fly, easy, etc. FLY, EASY. So it comes at the last. So I sound is coming. That's why it becomes vowel. Here your exercises. Say the first word in each row. Circle the words that have the same sound, same Y sound. Okay, circle the word that have the same Y sound as that word. Okay, and your first word in first line is what? Yes. So which word is matching? Yard and yellow. Y sound. Okay, Y is used as beginning as a consonant, and yard also consonant, and yellow also consonant. Okay, now second, many. Here Y is at the last. It means as a vowel. So pretty, sweetly, the same sound is coming. Now the third one. In second, dry will not come because we are circle same sound of Y. Okay, same sound of Y. Many, pretty, sweetly is same sound. Now the third one, fly. Which word is matching? Fly, try, Y. Try and why. You have to circle. Try, why. Now the next one. Happy. Happy. Which word is matching? Why? Why sound? Sorry, every. Now, fifth one. Ear. Ear. Y is there. Is starting with Y. So it is consonant, York and yarn. Okay? York and yarn. You just have to circle it. Now the next rule is when Y is the only vowel at the end of a syllable or a word of one syllable, Y has the long I sound, as in shy. When only vowel at the end of a syllable, Y is only vowel at the end of a syllable. Which sound is coming? Long I sound is coming, like shy. See, add Y to each consonant plan to make a word. You just have to add Y. Fry, first one become F-R-Y, fry, C-R-Y, cry, T-R-Y, try, D-R-Y, dry, S-K-Y, sky, S-L-Y, sleigh, F-L-Y, fly, S-P-R-Y, spry. Okay. Now, use one or more of these words to answer these questions. Use one or more of these words to answer this question. Okay. So what can an airplane do in the sky? Fly. You just have to write fly. F-L-Y. Why do we use umbrella when it rains? Dry. D-R-Y. Dry. What happens when you fall and hurt yourself? Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Now come to next. See. Say each word in the box and listen for the Y sound. Write the word in the correct column. Before doing this exercise, see these rules. When Y is the only vowel at the end of a syllable or a word of one syllable, it has the long I sound. It has the long I sound. Okay. When Y is the only vowel at the end of a word of more than one syllable. When only one syllable, long I sound is coming. When more than one syllable, then it usually has the long E sound. Okay. See. Y equal to long I. The first one is long I sound and second column is for long E sound. So here this is the box. See, this is the box. You have to choose the word and keep in these two boxes. So long I sound, cry, shy, why, trying, sky. Again I am repeating, cry, shy, why, trying, sky. Now long E sound, grocery, muddy, every, shiftly, bunny. Okay, so here this exercise is finished. Now come to next. Find from the box a suitable word for each blank. Here words are given: carry, family, funny, history, library, many, pretty, 20. So these words we have to fill in this box. My dash loves to do things together. Family. My family loves to do things together. Sometime we go to the dash library. Sometime we go to the library. Third, There are so dash books to choose from. There are so many books to choose from. 4. Dad likes dash books about ancient Egypt. Dad likes history books about ancient Egypt. 5th, I like books with lots of dash jokes. I like books with lots of funny jokes. 6th, Mom likes books having pictures of dash flowers. So, Mom likes books having pictures of pretty flowers. 7th, once we checked out more than dash books. Once we checked out more than 20 books. 8th, it was difficult to dash them. It was difficult to carry them. Okay, now come to next page. So your next topic is what? Compound word. Your next topic is compound word. So compound word is what? When two words are used together to make a new word with new meaning. Okay, again I'm saying, when two words are used together to make a new word with new meaning. See, some compound words are written separately as bus driver. Some compound words are joined by a hyphen as tea shop. Some compound words are written solid as roadside. Some compound words can be written in different ways as price whiter, price whiter, price whiter, dressing table, okay, but not dressing table. Here, now work with your partner and form compound words from the following. You can consult your dictionary to know the proper way of writing them. Here, head, hand, eye, and words are given. So what you have to do? Columns are there. You just have to pick first word here. Head, light. Head, master. Head, quarter. Head, dress. Head, egg. Hand bag, hand drill, hand grenade, hand pump, hand maid. Eyelash, eye bank, eye opener, eyeball, eye lens. So you just have to write these words in these columns. Okay? And how you have to write? Somewhere you have to use hyphen, somewhere you have to put the word with separately, and somewhere you have to write together in solid way. Okay, how you have to write? I'll give you PDF on Saturday, so from there you can see. Now I'm going to end this video.